Okay, so coming over to the right side of the trailer of the JetEdge machine, I'd like to point out a couple of other components as well as some upgrades and improvements that have been done. So first off, it can be seen here, these tank tops have been all cleaned and painted. On the right side of the machine lies an 80-gallon hydraulic tank, so that's what those are covering up. And about 2 years ago, all the hydraulic fluid was drained. The inside of the tank was completely cleaned out. A new inlet strainer was placed inside the tank, as well as the primary and up forward here secondary hydraulic filter were replaced. All new hydraulic fluid was added into the machine, filtered as it went in, and that hydraulic fluid is supposed to last around 500 hours. So since that change, the machine has accumulated about 90 hours. Also, with the new tank tops, additionally a hydraulic air filter, a hydraulic tank air filter was added up forward to try and keep any particulate matter out of the hydraulic tank through expansion and contraction from warming cycles as the machine operates. This is always a good idea in hydraulics. You can't have the hydraulic fluid clean enough, and the service life of any hydraulic machine is directly related to the cleanliness of the hydraulic fluid. Some other important bits to point out: these hydraulic accumulator tanks, the brackets were failing on them, and they were removed, cleaned and painted. New improved brackets were added. You can see there's a rubber insert between the banding that holds those up, and new hydraulic hoses were placed going from the pump to the accumulator tanks. Also, we have brand new inlet, water inlet filters. The first one is a coarse filter, which is just a basic home cartridge. Maybe it's a couple hundred micron. The secondary filter is where we get down really fine. It's only 2 micron. Bringing in really clean water to the pump is vital to maintaining the seal life. So there's all new plumbing from the water coming in the machine and leading up into the intensifiers. That's Schedule 80 gray PVC, and then we've got brand new hose with Parker slip-on fittings, high pressure 250 psi rated hose that leads up into the intensifiers. So those are just some of the main component upgrades. Also, you can see down lower here in the machine, there's the back end of the high pressure accumulator, high pressure outlet accumulator, and you can also see right here there is the safety water discharge valve. So when the machine, whenever you press the e-stop or you turn the intensifier off, it discharges all the pressure in the high pressure lines. So that's just some of the components inside the machine there.